Right now I'm working on a key fob from Renault, and the problem is you cannot lock or unlock the car. And I'm gonna test the frequency here. I don't know if you can see anything. I'm pressing on the lock button, and now the unlock button, and the frequency should change. Let me press again. So nothing. I'm gonna test a working key. Look at that. 433. Okay, and with this one, nothing. The frequency remains still. Okay, I already tested the battery. And I already replaced the battery with a new one. And it's the same thing. Let's test again the voltage of the battery. And we should have 3.3 volts. Can you see it? 3.3. Let's get the PCB out. The first thing I want to do is to test the buttons. I'm gonna switch to the microscope to see. Okay, so we have two buttons. One of the buttons was replaced in the past. This is an aftermarket button, and this is the original button. Let's test now. I put the multimeter in continuity mode, and if we press the button we should hear a beep. Okay, this one is good, and the original one, it's also good. Okay, so the car is starting, the engine is starting, so the circuit from the coil and the immobilizer chip are okay. I need to test this capacitor. We do not have a short. Let's move on. No short. No short. I don't know if this is a capacitor or an inductor. I have another board here. Maybe we can test on this one. It's not a working board, it's a donor board. Let's test on this one. So yes, I think it's an inductor. Okay, Let's test this little transistor. I should test it in diode mode, but I don't think it's anything wrong with this one. Okay. Alright, so I lost a little part of the video. I just replaced this oscillator and still nothing happened. The key fob is not working, and now I just want to resolder all the pins and all the components. Is the last check. Still nothing. No frequency. Okay, let's replace this MOSFET. We don't have many options now. Okay, let's wait for the board to cool down. Maybe I can help it with a swab, just like that. Okay, and let's try again. Okay, still nothing. Still nothing. Okay, so after struggling with this key, I wasn't able to repair it. The PCF chip was the problem. I replaced the board with a new one, and I programmed it on the car, and that way I solved the problem. I should have done this in the first place, but the customer wanted to repair the original key because the new one is from China. But I tried, and that's it for this video. I'm gonna go and work on something else.